Hi, and welcome to part 6 of my restoration project on my Honda CB750 Custom 1979. As you can see, this is the rear wheel. It's now off and the tyres now being removed. I've gone for a slightly wider back tyre, but we'll see that in a minute. There we go, it's all stripped down. The forks and the fork seals have been replaced. All new. Working on the brakes at the moment, and there's the front wheel having its tyre changed. The casings have been removed. Here we go, it's a bit grubby in there, hopefully I'll get it cleaned up. Carbs have been removed, they're in soak, being cleaned. There's the casing. That's the back tyre, slightly wider than the one that was on it before. So it should fill up the wheel out nicely. And then there's the front tyre. The old chain removed. I'm going to get a new chain. And there we go, it's the rest of the back wheel. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.